Nicepage tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nicepage. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Nicepage, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Nicepage, it is a no-code website builder platform that allows users to create websites, landing pages, online stores, and themes through a visual drag-and-drop interface in which it is designed for both beginners and professional designers, offering a high level of creative control through its freehand positioning system, which removes the rigid grid limitations found in many traditional builders. And the platform also provides 1,000 of pre-designed templates and blocks that can be fully customized, enabling users to quickly build responsive, mobile-friendly website without writing code. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or you can also start downloading the Nicepage in here. But as you can see below, it will show you a variety of options to use, such as to download on your Windows, Mac OS, but I'm going to choose to start a Nicepage online. And to start doing so, just click Start Nicepage Online. After clicking on it, you will automatically be directed on this page. So just proceed by clicking the Start Now button right here. Now as you can see, it is basically the online website builder of Nicepage where you can start creating from scratch. You could also choose either light mode or dark mode as an appearance and click continue. And after that, it will now show you how you can start creating or adding a block, your logo, and any other kind of elements in here, as you can see on the left side panel. You have here pages to navigate the layers, the sections, but in this part I'm just going to choose, for example, the templates. And to start using the templates, you can click themes option on the top panel. It will show you a variety of themes to navigate to the new page. Or alternatively, you could also click the import or export to start exporting from your computer files. These basically some the font size, font style, and colors that you can choose from. And now to start going to the template section, all you need to do is simply go on the left side panel and it will show us in here these templates. All we need to do is simply search on it. For example, we're looking for blog page templates. By doing so, it will show us in here the templates that we can choose from. We can simply start using this or adding this to our website that we are creating. You could also add a custom templates, however, you must have a premium account in order to use those kind of features. And as you can see, each template you can start customizing on the right side panel, which is the editing tools also on each template. You can choose to edit the style, the layout, the border, and many more. You can even add a variety of elements in here, such as the footer section, the layering, an image on each pages, and any other kind of information or elements you want to add. For example, from here I'm going to add another kind of layout or this page options, which is I'm going to go on the left side panel, and under this popular we have here to choose the blogs, for example this text to image. This is basically what it looks like. You can upload an images to change. We have here a variety of images given for free you can choose from or search on it. After selecting it, it will show you the result in here as a background. Then you can even start adding your logo in here from your computer files or even upload in here that is offered for free. I'm going to choose the images in here as an example for the logo, or you could also use the search bar to do it. We have here Pixabay, Unsplash, your images, Nicepage, and social and web. All of these are pretty much accessible in here on this website builder. So from here, I'm just going to choose a random one, which is, for example, I'm going to choose this pen, and it will show us in here to select the image size, and once done, it will automatically show us that it is now currently being uploaded as our logo in here. So you can see it is now been changed. You'd also add a text in here if you want to add another kind of elements. Aside from that, for example, you can add a button which is look like this as a preset, a shape, a code, contact form, grid repeater, and any other form of slider. For example, for the gallery slider, I'm going to choose this one. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here how you can start customizing it. But at this point, I'm just going to simply choose the gallery caption. From here, you can simply upload again another kind of photo for free or from your computer files and click apply upon choosing the images, and it will automatically change or upload it on the selected template. As you can see, it is still currently being uploaded, so all we need to do is wait for it to load. It is also depends on your connectivity or speed of your internet connection. So now as you can see, the gallery template in here has now been changed. The image, you could also upload or change the context in here under the item text option. Upon choosing or simply editing here, I'm going to add, for example, Techno World as the sample title, and for the sample text, I'm going to simply add here or make this modernization. And upon editing, it will automatically show you the result in here. You could also add more kind of elements in here, more kind of templates to choose, and even start editing any part of those templates. It will automatically show you that this page using this website are pretty much accessible to customize. But aside from this, you could also add another page if you want to by going to the page section. As you can see on the left side panel, all you need to do is simply click on it and it will automatically show you all of the list of your pages in your website. Then from here, by clicking the plus button, we can start adding a blank page or even a landing page as an example. So for instance, in all of this choice, I'm going to choose this one. And to add this, just click create page button on the top right corner to start using or simply uploading it directly as your page in your website. However, it may take some time also depending on your internet connection. But now as you can see, we have now successfully added a page. To customize the name of it, we can start clicking this page one in here or these three dots and click rename and start renaming this page. I'm going to name this landing page and click OK. Once done, you will now be able to see here that you can now start customizing these templates of landing page, including the images, the logo in here, the context, the layout, the color combination, and many more. Well, if your website has also a lot of products offer, aside from services, you can go to the products option on the left side panel, and in here it will automatically show you that each product, upon clicking on it, you can customize to start adding, including the images of it, the context, the product description, the prices, and many more. So for instance, I'm going to choose here the shirt I'm going to upload as an example, but upon choosing, for example, this part, I'm going to choose apply upon choosing the medium size. However, you may need to have a premium account in order to start uploading the product images on it. But you can even customize the variations in here and other product details. And by clicking the plus button on the top right, you can start adding a new product by filling out this required information. And if you also want to add another kind of elements, such as for example these modal pop-ups, all you need to do is simply click on it, start closing first this one and click this modal pop-ups. It will automatically show you that you can click add, and it will show you the pop-ups such as these payment pop-ups as an example, in which this basically what the customer will see upon checking out some of the product in our website. And let's say you are now done customizing everything in here, all you need to do is to click the publish button to save the changes by clicking this publish on the top right corner and choose to publish to Nicepage and even the right folder of it. If here to choose to download it or publish as HTML, WordPress, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Nicepage. Thank you.